This is Onion. It's Sunday, March 21st. Today I'm going to go over Churchill Capital with you. We'll look at some technical insight, short selling activity, institutional holdings, and quant computer estimates. Last week, was a pretty good week. The last couple of weeks have been coming up here. I did mention I do cover Churchill every day in the videos, and I mentioned, at the beginning of the week here that these two candlesticks were a sign of a reversal going down. But now we have another doji here, so it'll be interesting to see what happens on Monday. Looking at the chart, when the 21-day moving average, which is here, usually when it crosses the 50-day moving average, that's a sign of a bearish, downward movement. But with the doji here, it's kind of, they're kind of canceling each other out. So it'll be interesting to see what happens on Monday with the share price. The indicators, they're all going sideways. The MACD didn't, it was going up, it wanted to cross the average, but it never did. And now it's staying level, but it's kind of on a downtrend here because of the last couple of days. But you can see here momentum above the zero line, it's staying pretty even. And all the other indicators are showing, there's a few that are still showing down momentum, but overall it's just sideways action here. The relative strength is at 46, so it's you can go in either direction. Right now it looks like sideways to maybe down a little bit from here. Excuse me. If we look at the short selling activity, on Friday was fairly even with every other day. It seems to be just over 20% every day. Here, here's the history so far from March. That's March 1st, and every day 20, 21, 18%. Like it's all, it's all pretty much the same amount every day. The borrow rate has been dropping, though, as you can see here. It was pretty high at the beginning of March, but it has been consistently going down here. This was like Friday's borrow rate, and on Friday there was 6.6 million shares available to short. So, with an increased amount to short and a decreased borrow rate, the short selling actually dropped. So, it's at a price right now where it's really not worth it for a short seller. But we're going to have to see. Next couple of days, next week, will show the direction we're going for sure. The institutional owners right now, there's 153. There hasn't been any change since, any change that's been reported since March 1st. So you have 153 owners, and they represent 56.98% of the float. If we look at the quant computer projections, there's not a lot of information to go off of. We just have basically a few months here. But according to their estimates, a fair value is $26.96. So basically dead on the the fair value right now. But not all the year-to-date numbers are in here. So this, they do. You can see here beside this chart, the uncertainty is very high. But we got to get some more numbers in here. But it's hard for a computer or anybody really to analyze where this price is going to go because it's so new. But according to the quant computers and the charts, it's basically going in the direction that it should be. I hope this video helps. I wish I could give you more information on this, but there isn't any analyst recommendations yet, or really anything, right? Churchill is still pretty new, so usually I go in depth with these videos. But when we start hearing more information, I'll start adding to it. I am a holder of Churchill, so I will be following this for quite a while. So hope this video helps. Have a wonderful trading week next week, and take care.